Sabi niya, meron nga lang ino-order yun. Wala dito sa amin.
Hi, welcome back to Pawee. Hi, my name is Pauline and welcome to my vlog. So first, I'm so sorry for being absent for a couple of weeks, months. I don't know. I can't remember when was the last time I took video. But today, I can't wait to share you. Yes, I'm back here in my motherland, Philippines. I'm so excited to be home. And of course, I wouldn't miss the opportunity to spend more time with my family. So first, I drag my family, yes, to two of my favorite churches here in the Philippines, one in Pangasinan and one in Tarlac. So if you're interested, please continue watch this video. Wow. Going to Pangasinan, I thought it would take us like 2 hours, but I'm so impressed. I think I just took a nap for a good 15 minutes or 30 minutes, and then voila, we're here. Hold on. Inhale, exhale. Can somebody pinch me? This is real, right? Yes, I'm home and I'm with my family. And by the way, we just arrived here in Pangasinan and it's almost lunchtime, so we decided to take a break first, to have our lunch or brunch before we head to the church. Wait guys, if you notice in this video, there's this cute little dog. Let me introduce you. This is Kobe, our bunso. Since we brought packed lunch, so we end up renting this cottage, and the main purpose is because they do have security to watch over your car, and it's free parking. That's a big bonus. I have so many things to be thankful for, and I realize as you age, it's the simplest and it's the smallest blessings that you experience from day to day that matters. And you just learn not to complicate things. Yeah. Here's the fun part. Just right outside the church, you'll see different kinds of vendors who offers different kinds of delicacies, fruits, dried goods, and souvenir. You name it, they have it. So I guess I just need to unleash my charm, kidding, no, my haggling skill. You think we're heading home? No! We're actually heading to our second destination, which is located in Tarlac, Monasterio, Tarlac. Here's the aftermath. So hot, but we really had a great time. Okay, the tita in me is so impressed because we didn't experience traffic at all, and thanks to this shortcut, I think it's the T-Plex. Yes, it's T-Plex. I was thinking of SE-Tex, but it's T-Plex that made our transfer from Pangasinan to Tarlac faster and efficient. if you're from Pampanga and you're looking for a place where you can unplug from the noisy city, this is the place to be. It's a sanctuary where you can just recharge, and after a few peaceful hours, you just feel you're a brand new person. Thank you for watching the entire video, and I hope you enjoy my trip to these two beautiful churches. And yes, we're heading home finally. And if you have suggestion, please don't hesitate to comment down below. And I'll promise, no, I'll try my best to make more videos of my hometown. And I'll see you next time. Bye!